you know. So it's very important that we stop talking about spilled milk, wipe it off and move on and be cheerful. Praise the Lord. The other aspect under the biblical foundations of laughter is from the book of Genesis 21 verse 6. The book of Genesis chapter 21 verse number 6, where Sarah's laughter upon the birth of Isaac, praise the Lord, that demonstrated joy and fulfillment of God's promises too. You know, when she's like, oh, I'm all mama paws and grandmother's paws and all the pauses, and she thinks that, oh, you know, she's just laughing, you know, because she felt that is not at the stage, at the level she is at, you know, at her age, it's not going to be possible. But she still believed that God is God, you know. So this is another aspect where Sarah's laughter upon the birth of Isaac demonstrates the joy and the fulfillment of God's promises. It promised and it happened. And the laugh, oh, is quite fulfilling. Praise the Lord. So these are the three, some of the three biblical foundations of laughter in the Holy Bible. That's from our key point 1. So let's look at key point 2, laughter as a gift from God. Laughter as a gift from God. Okay, so under laughter as a gift from God, laughter is a natural, God-given response that brings joy and unity. Praise the Lord.